actually look like such a hot mess right now. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. Today is gonna be a busy day. It is my birthday. I'm turning 23 years old. I don't really turn 23 until the afternoon, so technically I'm still 22, but I'm turning 23. It's a little bit scary. I don't like growing older. I don't know anyone who likes to grow older, but I do like to celebrate my birthday. So today is just gonna be packed with like a bunch of things. I'm gonna be going out for dinner later on, but I just want to go for a walk and spend time with my family, and just relax and enjoy. The weather is so nice today. I'm so happy because last year it was actually raining on my birthday, but I still forced myself to go on a bike ride last year because my birthday's only gonna come once a year, right? So yeah. Okay, but I'm gonna take you guys with me along.
I don't. Oh, I'm pretty. Oh, yeah. We're having fun.
Okay, guys, are we done?
We're on.
Can we go?
I didn't get a video.
We can go.
Cocktails and cuisine.
Okay, now do you think her attire is proper?
Yeah.
So what was the place you went for your birthday?
So we got a bunch of things here. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this, but we'll figure that out. But I have a yoga session right now, so I'm gonna go get ready for that. And yeah. Okay, I'm ready for the gym, but before that I'm gonna blow these up because I didn't get the chance to do it yesterday. So we're gonna do that. God, these are like really big. How am I supposed to blow this? This is gonna take forever. I'm getting tired. There we go. Number 2. I don't want to do the other one. My mouth hurts now. I don't want to do this one. My mouth actually hurts. I'll do it on the way back actually. That took longer than I thought it was going to take because I didn't realize that they were this big. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to go head up to the gym and do some yoga because I need some yoga. I need some stretching. My back has been a little stiff because I sit so much. So yeah. Okay. I also got a bunch of different things from Dollarama because my best friend's birthday is coming up. Our birthdays are like a week apart, so we do this thing where we kind of meet in the middle and then we give each other gifts. So I got a bunch of different things and some treats, but a lot of it is just like decor because I'm planning on like making something for her because I know that she likes thoughtful gifts. So that is what I'm doing. I'm gonna be crafting like how I used to when I was a kid, and I'm actually very excited. I'm actually very excited for that. Okay. Today's kind of like a 2.0 of my birthday though because we were so busy yesterday. I didn't even get a chance to cut my cake, so we're gonna do that today. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna head out now. I feel 23. I don't know. Okay, it's time.
I'll tell you when to turn it on.
What the hell?
You just have to do it faster.
Come on.
You have to do it for a long time.
Oh, it's hot.
एक मिनट बेटा
Look, Papa, you're not even on it.
एक मिनट बेटा
Why is it lighting up? Oh,
Okay, okay. Put it back, put it back, put it back.
Yeah, yeah.
What was it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. There you go. You're 23 years old.
I have bad memory.
Wow. Remember you picked up like this?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I cut it right now?
Wait.
Yo, watch out, watch your hand, watch your hand.
No, it doesn't. You don't feel
Happy birthday. Did you say happy birthday to Orooj?
23.
Did you say happy birthday to Orooj?
so
Wow.
Enjoy. Every single video is just, I just stare at the camera.
Oh my god. It's so long.
I have to upgrade soon. I think I might need to too, actually. I'm 15.
Okay. We got Abby's Bakehouse cookies from Square.
Not we, she and her friend.
Yeah, but I got for everybody, so.
Ooh.
Ooh. It's nice, no?
Oh, that's really yummy.
Oh, they smell good. So I got like I got butter cookie ones. I asked her, I was like, which one tastes better, butter cookie or milky ones? She said she likes butter cookie ones, so I got butter cookie ones.
Oh, the double has arrived.
Princess Cone, yes. And then I got milky ones, which are like chocolate chips, and then I got brownie ones. They're all stuffed. Yeah.
I want the milky one.
I want the milky one.
I got. You want to bite it together?
Okay, Miss Madam. Let me warm it up a little. I'll be RB.
She's mean.
No.
Okay, let's first try this one.
Okay. got some milk just to wash it down.
We're like posting it like where?
On YouTube.
Oh.
Don't worry, you look good. Okay. Am I beating you?
Oh. You're all good. Look at that though. That doesn't look like a mole.
It tastes like Kinder Surprise to you?
It's just like another chocolate. Like, there's a specific chocolate. It's really good though. Is that a nut?
Okay.
Look at the melted chocolate. Oh, this is a nut. I feel like a bite into it.
Okay, let's try that one. I don't know how this is gonna taste. Brownie. These are actually really good.
Very short. Strawberries.
Thanks.
Sorry.
Good, no?
Oh, the center is so hot.
The what?
The center.
I probably warmed it up a little too much.
There's one where I think all of it went to the brownie part.
Okay, we literally can't pick this up.
Don't mind the nut in there. I actually couldn't bite it. I couldn't bite it.
It felt like sitting there.
No, it felt like a stone. Oh my god, Orooj.
The whole thing's just coming out.
I'm not even joking, like, it felt like a stone. Like you can't bite into it.
That's so good. This, what is that?
Is there another nut? Put your nut?
Wait,
Oh
what
no.
the frick? What is
It's like
that?
a Nutella.
No, it's not.
Oh, the Nutella. Mukbang.
Oh, I got felt like a broken tooth.
Oh my god, yeah, I know, that's why I didn't want to. My dentist would be mad at me. I hope, if you're posting this on YouTube, I hope no one from my school sees this.
No one's gonna see you. They don't know me.
What if from my old school?
They don't know me.
No, remember I told you one of them set a screenshot and was like, oh, does this look familiar?
Oh. I know what you're talking about.
And then we never saw him. Oh, I mean, I never saw him again.
Oh,
I never heard of him again.
Okay. Thanks for joining this mini mukbang. These cookies are really good. Okay, so I did something. I got myself these shoes. I told myself, I've been wanting these since like, what, January? I told myself once I was gonna complete my studies for something and I earned what I said I was gonna earn, I was gonna get myself shoes. So I am treating myself and I'm so happy that I got them. I feel like I like really worked for them. So yeah. Bunch of cardstock, which I'm gonna do some stuff, and this thingy because I wanted to gift this. How am I gonna wrap this? I need to figure that out. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Okay, hi guys. We are here and we are about to go out for a birthday dinner. Oh my god, this is such okay. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. I'm excited and we are ready.
So close,
We're running late. I ran errands literally last minute. Thank god I had my makeup on already, so I didn't need to worry about that, but yeah. Okay.
She took her time. I'm joking, she did.
Let's go. This side here.
You.
How are you?
I'll hug you when we get there, yeah. Do you want to sit at the front?
We're heavily late. Ooh, I like the dramatic eye look.
I'm turning into mom.
Bro, I was running so late today.
both
No,
today?
that's
No, I knew what she was gonna wear, and I'm like,
Going
anyway.
opposite. Look what I'm wearing. Also
Yeah, I
black.
know what you were gonna wear.
Why
It's
did you
fine.
guys tell me I would have worn black?
I wanted you to wear whatever you wanted to wear. I told you it was a surprise. And I wasn't gonna wear this, I was gonna wear a blue thing.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go
We're a
actually.
little bit
Okay,
late.
we're getting late now.
We are
I
late.
don't know why I'm vlogging. Look, we're getting late now. Yeah.
Just leave right now.
Yeah. No, but it's funny how mom's literally the only one that's colorblind.
No, I was gonna wear my polo.
Things
It
just
was
switched.
gonna look more summery, but then I tried this on from my mom's closet and I'm like, it fits me. And Orooj would like it because it's out the neck.
No, it actually
The
looks
neck.
nice though.
My turtlenecks. Okay, we're gonna catch you later. Bye. You're running late. You're running very late. Say hi.
Hello, world.
We're so late right now. That's okay. Finding parking in Toronto is a big struggle. But we found underground parking, so yeah.
You have to send me that.
Looks better in my eyes than in the eyes.
Yeah.
But it's very
salad with nice water.
See, I told you, I take my picture and I'm done, I'm waiting. I'm like, we asked for dessert and would it be free for it's our birthdays?
Did you make like a?
I knew it.
Aw, thank you. We're such a. Okay, how many is it? We have two.
Wait, let's blow it out first.
Yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wanna try this? Yeah.
Eat with us.
Yeah, take some.
Yeah, I'll take one piece.
No more than looks good.
Yes, Trevor, thank you so much. Right here, on.
Oh, that's new.
It's not. No more.
So I was telling you. Ooh. This is cute.
From here, it looks like it's just 35.
She's 35 years old.
So is she then?
35. Rosy cheeks, say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams. What are we doing?
It's like a real life filter. Thank you guys for joining. Birthday bash.
Birthday back.
Okay, bye.